Hello everyone, welcome back to Joyful Learning 365 YouTube channel. We are trying to understand how to hide the related tabs. So here, as you can see on the screen, I have opened one model-driven app called a sales trial model-driven app. In this model-driven app, I'm like a in account entity. As you can see on the screen, there is a summary tab, relation analytics tab, and details tab is there. So in this, again, we have a related tabs also there. So for example, here we have a multiple things, activities, social profiles, contacts, connection, and audit history, invitation, entitlements like this. So for example, I don't want to see everyone this I want to hide this audit history trap from here. Okay, in related column, common. So how can I do this one? So this is the we try to understand in this video. So for this, first you need to go to make.powerapps.com. So as you can see on the screen, we are navigating to make.powerapps.com. So once you have landed into the make.powerapps.com, you need to select the correct environment. So either you need to select a dev environment or a test environment, UAT environment, in which environment you are planning to do. So first, in my scenario, I am planning to do this in a developer environment. So I have selected developer environment, and from there, I have like a went to tables. In this tables, so as you can see in the screen, I have like a going to here, like a searching for the account entity. Okay. So in the account entity, I want to hide this, right? So I have selected this account entity, and in this account entity, there are like a forms are there. Okay. I clicked on the forms, and there are multiple forms are there. Okay. So this one here, which form we are exactly using, I don't know which form it is. Okay, because there are multiple forms are there. So how should I know which form I am using here? So for that also again we need to go whatever it might be. The solution is the only one. You need to go every time mic.powerapps.com. So let me go again mic.powerapps.com in another window. Okay, so let me open here. There is a tab applications are there in left hand side navigation, and you are able to see there is a sales trial mobile driven app is there. So there is a pencil icon. You are able to see here pencil icon. Click on the edit of this pencil icon. Once you click on the edit icon, so there you are able to see this whatever the in a designer mode. Okay, in the designer mode, you can see here there is a left hand navigation. Whatever you are able to see here, left hand, right? So those are here from here we can design. So here as you can see on the screen, so as of now like we need to check under customers we have accounts. In this accounts I want to know which form we are using for like a customer is trying to see the data from where it is exactly trying to see the data. So here as you can see on the screen from the accounts form I am able to see this guy is seeing. So now you can see relation analytics and this one. Okay, this one. Okay, details underneath details, and again relation analytics. So you can see there are like a multiple forms are there. So which form? Sales insight form is using by this. Okay, sales insight form was using by the using for to view the data. So what is the form name? As you can see, it is a in this app we are using sales insight app. There are multiple are there, but here in this for this particular application model driven app we are using this app. This okay, sales insight. So simply what I will do, Control C from here, and now I am going to the one from where like a tables are there and in accounts forms are there, right? Search for here, Control V, and I have pasted here. So as you can see, this is the form which has been using by the in a model driven app. So let me open this one. Once I have open screen, again it has been opened in a designer mode. Okay, so let's wait for a few seconds until it's get loaded, fully loaded. So as you can see on the screen, there are details and this one is there. So for example, think that I want to hide this audit history. Okay. So here, as you can see here, audit history, I want to hide. I don't want to see this audit history. I don't want to. So simply the straightforward way is to hide it. So basically, either you are able to see this related audit history, right? go to click on this audit history. So once you click on this audit history, right, the right hand side, you are able to see the hide button. Okay, you can see you cannot edit the relationship customization of the system. But again, here I am not editing here. I am only hiding, showing and hiding. Okay, which is doable. So here Microsoft itself, it's an out-of-box feature which has been provided by the Microsoft. So I have checked the check mark, and again after that I have clicked on the save and publish to see that where my changes has been will reflect. So after saving and publishing only the changes will reflect. Okay, without saving and publishing, if you are expecting the results, you won't get the results. Okay, so make sure whatever the changes you have done once your changes has been done, then you need to do save and publishing. So as you can see, it's saved and published. So from here now, as you can see here, as of now, without refreshing, I am able to see underneath of the related audit history. Okay. So now what I'll do here, I'll try to refresh this model driven app multiple times. As you know that in on-premise, it will reflect immediately, but it is on cloud. So in cloud, it will take some time to reflect. Might be like a less than a minute. Sometime it depends. Okay. So as you can see on the screen now, earlier we are able to see this audit history tab, but here, as you can see on the screen now, there is no more tab is there, audit history tab. Okay, so that's it for the today. So in upcoming session, we try to learn more about this. Like, for example, if you want to show these particular tabs in different ways in upcoming in series, we'll try to learn. That's it for the today. I hope you have learned something new in this video, which is a completely low code, no code concept. Thank you very much for watching Joyful Learning 365 YouTube channel. If you like, please share, like, and subscribe for more interesting updates.